Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
How are we?
Good. We've had a good day in Ashland.
Nice.
We went to the park, played in the creek. And what else did we do, Nathan? Did we go to the lake? Jump in the lake? Lots of water.
Yeah. Nice.
Lots of heat.
Hi there.
Hi. Simon, say
Say hi, guys. How are ya?
Hot weather and cold
We just
water.
took a shower.
Yeah. How was the shower? Yeah.
We saved 4 minutes is really a long time.
That was enough for all of you guys?
It was.
Right on.
I gave them all a heads up.
Yeah.
We did it fast.
What's up, Wes?
Thank you, so.
See what Josh is up to. Josh is cooking. Thank you, Josh, for doing all the cooking.
Oh wow, we're on HD
Yeah.
video. Yep.
What do we got here?
Chicken, grilling it up for Mexican style.
Beautiful. It looks good. Smells good.
Almost there.
Right on.
Almost there.
It's good to
Yeah.
see you again.
It is. Hello.